Well, we do have our first caller of the night on standby, and thank you for calling Law Call. Angela, what is your question this evening?
I have a question in reference to if you've been in a car wreck and you didn't go get treatment or see a doctor afterwards because you actually caught the flu and was sick, and it took about a week or two to go to the doctor, will you still have a case to fight if against the at-fault insurance?
Great question. Thank you so much for your question, Angela. And what's your advice for her, Harry?
Well, what I would say is, normally you want to go ahead and get your treatment right away, because what the insurance company will do is they will say, well, if you were hurt in this particular car wreck, you'd have gone to see the doctor. So something must have happened between the time of the car wreck and whatever happened in the period that you waited before you went to the doctor. Mm-hmm. But it sounds like you have you were sick, you had the flu, you had other things going on. You still have a case. It kind of muddies it up a little bit. Mm-hmm. So I would say get to the doctor, make sure the doctor knows what happened, in the car wreck, and let them know about the flu and so forth. And your medical records will show that. Mm-hmm. So you still have a case.
So what about people who you don't feel like you need to go to the doctor, you walked away and I feel okay?
Yeah, that happens a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Most people they're in an accident. They might not feel perfect, but they don't want to make a big deal about it. They don't want to go to the doctor. The longer you wait, the worse it is. So I would say if you're feeling any kind of symptoms or effects, don't wait too long, because if you wait, you're going to have that problem later on with the insurance company saying, well, you must have been hurt in this record, you'd have gone to the doctor.
Okay.